Is there an easy way to fix a sagging gate? Hi everybody, I'm Bassocantor. Stay tuned and I'll explain. To fix my sagging gate, I use this anti-sag gate kit, but of course you can buy the items separately if you wish. Here's what goes in one of these kits. There are these two corner brackets, and we'll see in a minute how those are used. And of course the kit includes a very strong cable or wire, and we'll also see how that's going to support the gate. Some screws to hold up the corner braces. And this little item is called a saddle, and it'll hold tight the wire. The key to the whole operation is a clever device called a turnbuckle. And each end is threaded differently than the other end, and it's useful for tightening up a cable, and we'll see how that works in just a minute. So the idea is for a cable to pull up on this corner brace, and it's going to pull it off the ground a little. Here's one of the corner brackets at the bottom, and here's another one up at the top. Here's a better view of the bottom corner bracket, and you can get a feel for how it works with the cable pulled tight. We're then going to take one end of the turnbuckle and we're going to hook it in to the upper bracket. Of course, you could have used a lower bracket instead. Then we loop one end of the cable and we hook it on to the turnbuckle. And you might wonder, well, how do we keep the wires tight together? And that's where we use the saddle. After you tighten up the two nuts on each saddle, you can see it'll hold it very tight. Now that you have all the parts installed, you can tighten up the turnbuckle and it will pull up the wire and bring the bottom of the gate off the ground. I found the whole process works easier if you put a little shim under the gate to sort of push it up a little bit while you're tightening the turnbuckle. After just a few minutes of tightening, I've got a great gate. Well, as you can see, it's really not very difficult. I hope you found this video helpful. In Dublin, California, I'm Bassocantor. Thanks for watching, everybody.